One other point I wanted to bring up was both Lenovo and C2RO have a strong relationship with SAP.
Yeah, for
and,
sure.
From a C2RO standpoint, I know you have the capabilities to integrate into the backend SAP ERP applications and more. From a Lenovo standpoint, we provide infrastructure to customers running their SAP applications,
Yep.
S4HANA and what have you. How is that relationship with SAP?
Well, the SAP relationship, I think, for both of us is a really important one. And everything that is back end, every bit of data that's generated ultimately ends up in their back end. And so when you want to understand this KPI and how it relates to another important business KPI that's not related to a sale or a transaction, that's where you find that. So for example, if you wanted to forecast how much of a certain product or fresh food you needed to prepare that day, all of the information is in the SAP backend. And the challenge is always bringing that to real time, right? And so this is where they're bringing so many improvements, and actually here at NRF we're showcasing several real-time applications where the data is coming in from the actual sensor, right, which is it's being integrated with the cloud through a real-time API. It's being fused with other data that's already there, and then something is coming back. A business insight is coming back, or some type of notification. So this loop with your entire business is exactly what SAP brings, in addition to the analysis tools, right? HANA and things like that. So, SAP is the thing that takes like this little piece of important data and essentially distills it down to a relevant action in the end that the business can take. So, I mean, this is what we're showcasing here at NRF, and this is the value. So, yeah, we're integrated with their backend cloud. We're integrated with their analytics engines. And I think this is the second year that we're kind of live and showcasing that with SAP, and we also showcased it at Sapphire last year, and hopefully Sapphire this year as well.
Yes, right. Good. Yes. Well, I want to thank you both for joining today, and have a great event, and we appreciate your participation, your partnership.
And as Ricardo said it best, that which cannot be measured cannot be improved.